Guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install MySQL Community Server 26.70 on Windows operating system. To download the software in Google search box right there, MySQL, then go on this mysql.com site. Now you need to scroll down. In the download section, MySQL Community Server is there. Click this. Then you can get this MySQL Community Server 2670. This is available for Microsoft Ubuntu, this different operating system. So Windows, that's selecting, and zip file, so MSI file, that's going to download. So click on this download button. You have three options: login, sign up, no thanks. Clicking this option, and now you can see MySQL 26.70 Windows 64 MSI file currently downloading. Total size 126 MB. Let's go and here clicking again MS SQL. Let's double click this MySQL 26.70. So welcome to MySQL Server 26.7 setup wizard, and now click on next. Thereafter let's check this accept. Click on next and click on this complete and click on install. From Oracle America, click on yes button, and thereafter here you can see installing MySQL Server 26.7. So updating component, please wait while setup wizard installing MySQL Server 26.7. So this here complete setup. Here you need to check this run MySQL configuration, then click on finish button. Now from Oracle America, click on yes button. This here MySQL Server 26.7. Click on next, next, next. Root password you need to give. Thereafter click on this add user, giving the username, give their password, and now click on OK. Then click on next. That's fine. Next. Create secure database and the vault. Next. And now click on execute. Second last step is there. This is Windows Server firewall, starting server, creating user account. This all process is currently going on. Completed. Let's click on next and finish. Thereafter simply you need to search your MySQL. Then you can get this command line. Let's click on this MySQL 26 command line. Root password you need to give. So there you can see here MySQL 26.70 that install. So here you can use this queries. So let's write there. So databases. So this is there. Now using Sakila, and let's use the query select a star from actor. So actor table record, that's the display. So this is how we can do the installation of MySQL. So MySQL 26.70. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.